Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a music video with no video editing experience on OpenArt.ai for your SUNO music, for instance. But basically here, there's going to be a music video section under story. Select create and paste the link of your SUNO song. So you can either do that or you can upload your own song here. Then if you scroll down, you can select the mode. There's style, story, and sing. You can also see some advanced settings here. You can select the image model, character, etc., and the video model as well. You'll see more once you've actually uploaded or pasted a link. I don't have any SUNO music, but that's where you can generate the music video. As you can see, I have 1,000 credits, but yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. You can also select like the genre, I guess. But that is it. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.